Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, hello everyone. My name is Debbie. I'm from PBI class. I want to reading about the work of the village medicine man. Medicine men and modern doctors in mass urban and suburban areas throughout the world. Sick people are taken to a doctor office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his four methods are similar to those of an urban doctors, but most are very much different. The difference in method is a result of the fact that disease, to the modern scientific mind, is viewed as something natural. It is caused by viruses, bacteria, and other small things that we can't see without a microscope. By contrast, in other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemies, and so on. And urban second know how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient families and friends as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when and how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tell his patient to wear amulets, special necklace for protection against bad spirit. Nevertheless, in both village and urban society, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor of the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to about it for the diagnosis, but as about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headache, stomach ache, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity in methods and there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, take x-rays, while the medicine man involves supernatural methods. He might ask the patient about his dream, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or go into a trance or a condition of deep concentration in which he doesn't function not normally in an effort to contract spirit or other beings outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, this solution usually means one or more of the following. The same methods that are used for prevention, helpful food, rest, exercise, perhaps warm beds or massage, drug or surgery. Likewise, for medicine includes includes some of the same cures. As in the diagnosis, however, a medicine man also uses a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcism and soul harm. Hence, exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirits. Thus, in a exorcism ceremony, the medicine men perform a number of traditional activities to take the evil being out of the victim body. Song, dance, and religious prayer are part of any exorcism, and so on include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to persuade the victim's souls which are believed to have left their bodies to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Nyimbu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and tooth-created disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contained the evil tooth, because together the victim, relative, and friend to watch a ceremony, at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, legs, stomach. Although the patient and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time, the pain is often cured. The Nambu ceremony is typical of treatment around the world, in which stones, insects, or small spears are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that disproves the effectiveness of such methods, the fact remains that the treatments are often used successful, and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lies in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbolism. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in good. Their doctors, the drug they take, image or symbols, will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremony may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, their communal meetings provide socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the trans parts of the ceremonies produce certain chemicals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the methods of tribal medicine men. Thank you for watching. See you next video.